Welcome to an exclusive tour of the magnificent Rambagh Palace in Jaipur, India. Today, we invite you to step inside the opulent world of Room 306, a jewel among the palace's distinguished palace rooms. Get ready to immerse yourself in royal grandeur and discover why this room is a top choice for discerning travelers seeking the ultimate luxury experience in Jaipur. As you enter Room 306, you're immediately struck by the elegant blend of traditional Rajasthani aesthetics and modern comfort. The spacious layout, adorned with exquisite handcrafted furniture and rich textiles, tells a story of regal heritage. The intricate details and vibrant colors are a feast for the eyes, creating an atmosphere of serene sophistication. One of the most captivating features of Room 306 is its enchanting courtyard view. Imagine waking up to the tranquil sight of lush Mughal gardens, perhaps even spotting peacocks gracefully roaming below. This picturesque vista provides a peaceful retreat from the bustling city, allowing you to savor moments of quiet contemplation. The amenities within Room 306 are designed to cater to your every need. From the luxurious king-sized bed promising a restful night's sleep to the well-appointed marble bathroom featuring premium toiletries, every detail has been thoughtfully curated. You'll also find a comfortable seating area, a dedicated workspace, and state-of-the-art entertainment options, ensuring a stay that is both productive and pampering. We hope you've enjoyed this visual journey and the unparalleled charm of Room 306 at Rambagh Palace, where history, luxury, and impeccable service converge to create an unforgettable Indian palace experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive tours of the world's most breathtaking destinations.